Today I'm making magic pie. First I'm going to make the crust, so in a bowl I have 25 crushed up Oreos. Then I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have a 9.5-inch pie plate. I'm going to add the Oreo mixture and press it in and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the crust is baking, I'm going to get the filling ready, so first I'm going to add 1 cup of sweetened coconut flakes into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of chopped pecans. Then I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of chopped walnuts. Next I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Next I'm just going to mix that up. Next I have the cooled crust. I'm going to add the filling to the crust and spread it out. Then I'm going to add a 14-ounce container of sweetened condensed milk and spread that out, and then bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. This is what the pie looks like when it comes out of the oven. I let it cool for 20 minutes before slicing into it, and here's an up-close look of a slice.